Start with your Libby Endeavor highball glass. Moisten the rim of your glass with a damp paper towel. And then press it into the naturally flavored Bloody Mary salt mix to properly salt your glass. Throw some ice in that glass, and then a few splashes of your favorite vodka. Don't worry, my little buttercup. This drink is for me. We'll make you a drink later. Select either the classic Bloody Mary mix or the chilies and pepper Bloody Mary mix as your base, depending on how fiery you're feeling. Add 2 tablespoons of the mix and then fill the rest of the glass with your favorite tomato juice of choice. Throw in a dash of the Texas Pete hot sauce for some kick, and another dash for some more. Garnish your drink with some Filthy Foods gourmet cocktail olives. Thanks for your patience, my little buttercup. And enjoy.